The 2026 BMW M3 is the kind of car that instantly makes enthusiasts stop and pay attention, not just because of its nameplate, but because of the evolution it represents. BMW has never taken the M3 lightly, and this time around, they've taken performance, technology, and design into a whole new dimension. It's not simply a continuation of the M legacy. It's a statement about what the future of sports sedans should look and feel like. The M3 has always been about balance, and the 2026 model carries that torch proudly, blending precision engineering with modern performance demands. From the moment you see it, the 2026 M3 grabs attention with its aggressive yet refined stance. The wide kidney grille has been reshaped for better aerodynamics, the headlights now slimmer and laser-focused, and the body sculpted to slice through air with purpose. The stance is lower, the fenders are muscular, and the rear diffuser hints at the power waiting to be unleashed. BMW has also incorporated lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum throughout the body, reducing overall weight without sacrificing rigidity. It's a design that feels both futuristic and timeless, staying true to the M philosophy while adapting to modern tastes. Under the hood, BMW continues to impress. The 2026 M3 comes with a twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing an estimated 560 horsepower in the competition trim. This engine has been refined for quicker throttle response, smoother delivery, and better efficiency, thanks to advanced hybrid assist technology. Yes, the M3 is partially electrified now, but it's not a compromise. Instead, it's an advantage. The electric motor provides instant torque for quicker launches, helping the M3 sprint from 0 to 60 mph in under 3.3 seconds. The hybrid system also improves fuel economy, making this beast more efficient without dulling its razor-sharp edge. Drivers can switch between different driving modes, from a pure electric short-range mode for city driving to a track-focused setup that unleashes the full fury of the combustion engine and electric motor working in harmony. The transmission options remain true to BMW's commitment to driving enthusiasts. An 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters comes standard, offering lightning-quick gear changes. However, for purists, BMW has kept the manual transmission alive, a rare gift in today's world of performance cars. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system is available for those who want maximum grip in all conditions. The handling is sharper than ever thanks to adaptive suspension, lightweight chassis tuning, and an updated electronic differential that ensures every ounce of power gets translated into forward motion with surgical precision. Inside, the 2026 BMW M3 feels like a blend of luxury and race-inspired design. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. The latest iDrive 9 software controls everything from navigation to performance settings, while voice and gesture controls add futuristic convenience. Carbon fiber trim, Alcantara accents, and premium leather seats remind you that this isn't just any BMW, it's an M car. The seats are supportive, yet comfortable, perfect for both spirit